about 2,329 sites. Of that, we have given 2,309, leaving 20. All revenue sites we have cleared over a period of time. So I used to review with the district collectors on a fortnightly basis. We cleared all of them. Of the 20, sir, the 16 wildlife cases, sir, 8 have been cleared. Stage 1 clearance has been given. So the user agency have to give a complaints report for the forest department to process the stage 2 clearance. 8, sir, of the balance 8 are in the Tiger, Project Tiger core area. So the National Wildlife Board gave direction saying that these sites, user agency can look for alternate sites. That's about the wildlife, sir. 3 forest cases that they are at the state level, so they are getting processed. In fact, 2 cases today they seems to have issued orders. So one is in process, sir. The one FRA is at the district committee level. So we will pursue with the collector and then see that it is cleared, sir. With regard to right of way, 4 sites are there, sir. There is some survey work is going on. There is a kind of little confusion whether they fall in the forest side or in the revenue side. Currently, one of the district called West Godavari, the survey is going on, sir, for the demarcating these 4 sites in the right of way. Sir, with regard to this electricity demand, so earlier we had 1272 cases. So now it has come down to, because of these relaxed guidelines in the PM Janman and the RDSS, so there are no case which is requiring more than 10 lakhs. So we have about 2 to 5 lakhs, there are 917 cases, 5 to 10 lakhs, 76 cases. Sir, my officers told me that the Pragati meetings, the nodal officer in the cabinet secretary has advised the department, sir, it comes to about 15 crores. So if DOT can bear the foot the bill, we'll be happy, sir. Otherwise, once the decision is taken, so if it is not done, then maybe we'll find a way to fund this, sir.
Okay,
agency, so they have a limited field staff, sir. So we are not able to, they are not able to come and then coordinate at the field level. So if the extra people are deployed, we will be able to complete this tower erection and then commissioning, sir.
Okay. Maybe sir.
నేనొక నిజం జరిగే యథార్థాల అగ్ని పర్వతం జననం మరణం మధ్య జరిగే నాటకానికి నేనే సాక్షిని సగటు మానవుని గొంతుక నేను మీ అందరి కోసం ప్రతి గడియ పనిచేస్తూ గళం వినిపించే G9 న్యూస్.